Hey, Lucas penetrating oil. This is something you gotta keep around the house. Keep it in the garage. You never know when you're gonna need it. You're in the house, you got that squeaky door hinge. You know, things dry out in the house as humidity and the moisture comes and goes. Spray this on those hinges. Makes them doors open just quiet as they can be. You know, same thing on your doorknobs, all that kind of stuff. Anything that's around moisture that you got an issue with, a little bit of penetrating oil makes it all go away. Lucas Oil, it works.